Guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, guys. So guys, today I am having another product with me, and this is a portable monitor from the ARZOPA. I bought it because my MacBook having problem with the screen. Thus my laptop screen is out of like it's not working anymore. I cannot able to see anything because it's broken, so I'm not able to see my MacBook. That's why I'm bought this external monitor. This is kind of a portable monitor where you can attach to the different devices like a laptop, gaming console, a mobile. So that's why I bought it, so I can use my MacBook Pro again. I have another MSI gaming computer, but whenever I'm out, I'm using the MacBook Pro, so that's why I need the external monitor or something to use it. And I find this from the Amazon, and I find it very useful and very like a good review on this product. That's why I find a very good reviews on this product also. That's why I bought it from the Amazon, and this one is cost me around $80. With tax it gonna be like you can count $100, under $100, so it's not that crazy expensive. That's why I bought it. Like, I thought like, why don't I try it, and if it's a good product I can show the public, and definitely if anybody interested in this kind of product, they can definitely check out from the Amazon. So let me open this box very quick and let's see how it look inside. Okay guys, so I just removed the plastic cover from the top. Now let me open this. Okay, so guys, very nice packaging. It's kind of a MacBook, Apple MacBook Pro level packaging. So this is it's wrap in the plastic case cover. So let me remove this plastic cover also first, so I can show you. So I'm going to check out this later, but let me put in aside for a minute. First I show you this monitor. So it comes with the very nice leather case. As you can see, they provide the leather case attached to the monitor. Very nice. I really like that packaging. Okay, so this is the monitor itself. Very lightweight, very slim. Yeah, you can see edges. You can clearly see the edges, guys. It's very portable. You can see it's very like slim. I really like the build material, guys. It's not bad. I think it's feel like a plastic, but quality is not bad. Not bad quality. I really like the quality of the product. I'm using my mobile right now to make this video. Hope you don't mind. So let's see what's the. So this one has an HDMI Type-C, IPS ultra wide viewing angle, HDR technology, ultra lightweight. Yeah, it's lightweight. So what kind of port it has, I don't know what's this for. Maybe it's just for the setting or something. They also provide the external headphone jack support. That's nice. I think it's for power reverse, and you can reverse and charge this, or you can charge this device using your laptop to view this monitor. Then there is a micro HDMI and 2 Type-C USB port. Very nice. So it comes with this, as I mentioned, this 3 port, and the another side it has the external. Okay, let me connect to with my laptop and see if it work as expected. So let me turn on this first. Okay guys, so I just attached this monitor with my laptop. I'm not able to see right now. Okay, the monitor screen is turning on, but I'm not sure my laptop is getting the signal. Okay, so you can see the turn is my monitor is getting turned on, but it's not showing up right now, this screen. Let me check what happened. I need to connect with my another monitor and set up this monitor. Okay guys, I need to check out some of the user manual that provided with this external monitor. They also provide some accessories. This one USB type C to type C cable, this one for USB type C to regular USB cable, this one I think mini to micro HDMI, yeah, and there are some cleaning cloth. So that's all guys in terms of the accessories provided with this also. So very nice, they provide some accessories with that you can use it. So I need to follow this user guide to work with this external monitor, so let me check that first. So guys, finally I am able to connect my MacBook Pro with this new monitor ARZOPA. So it's working as expected. I just mirror the screen because my screen is not working, so I just need to mirror the same screen. So that's what I did, and now I'm able to see the view images from the I can see the display from the MacBook Pro to this monitor. So very nice viewing. So I can able to see very nicely. It's not the perfect screen like a MacBook Pro, but it's still very nice compared to what I lost. So I really like, and this screen viewing angle is perfect. So as you can see, I can move my cursor here easily. I can open the everything. So basically I am able to use this. Let me play YouTube video. I need to remove this front sticker, then only I can able to see the properly. So let me remove the sticker first. So okay guys, so I just remove that label. Now I'm able to see clearly everything. So guys, now I am powering this monitor only from my MacBook Pro. Just look at this cable. I attach this to my MacBook Pro, and I'm powering by this only from my MacBook Pro, because there is a button here where you can reverse the power. If I click on that, okay, so I don't know what's that, but currently it's running from my MacBook. So I don't need to attach any external power source to power this monitor. So that's very nice. That is what I want. So this is a good monitor guys. Let me play the video guys from the YouTube. Okay, let's open up the YouTube guys. Let me play any video guys. Let's see that. Okay guys, so this is how it look, the video on this monitor. This is a full HD video guys. Let me bump up to the 4K. No, this is not 4K video, and my screen is I think full HD, so I don't know I am able to watch the 4K on this video or no. Let me find the 4K video to see if I am able to play 4K. Let me find the movie trailer. Okay. It's a 4K. Let's see if I am able to play 4K here. Oh, okay. Yeah, I am able to play 4K. Let's see. Oh yeah, I am able to play the 4K video because I thought like I am not able to, but I can able to play 4K on the full HD screen, so that's not bad. That is what you like. So that's nice. So it also supports the inbuilt speaker. This is how it sound. I'm not sure how you able to hear that, but this is I like it. It's not bad. So guys, I don't know how you able to hear that, but the sound quality is not bad. It's not like a Apple quality, but it's good. If you don't have any speaker or anything, then it's good. And I think you can able to connect your mobile also with this. You can also able to connect the Windows PC, your gaming machine, Xbox, PlayStation, whatever you want to attach with this monitor, external monitor, and you can like use it anywhere. So this is kind of a small TV for you. So very nice. I like it. Very nice packaging. And this one cost me around $80 from Amazon. So I think it's have some discount on it. That's why it cost me $80. It might be expensive for other people, but I don't know. But it's very good monitor under $100. Not bad. I definitely recommend this product. So far so good. I'm hoping to keep it for the long time, this stuff. So hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video and content like this. Bye, take care, thank you, have a nice day.